In today's class, we'll discuss about the data type like numeric and integer. So first go on T code SE38, create a variable, first create a program in SE38 for numeric or int data type. This type is executable program. Now first declare a variable using a data keyword. That is lv1 underscore l1 type I, lv2 underscore l2 type n. Okay, now this is a chain operator. See, we are declaring a two variable using a single data keyword and giving this colon. This is called chain operator. We can declare a multiple variable using a single data keyword by giving this chain operator. Now this is called declaration of a variable and initialization of a variable. lv1 underscore l1 is equals to 1 2 3, lv2 underscore l2 is equals to 3 4 5. Okay, now this is called initialization of a variable. Using the right statement, declare print our variable integer value numeric value score l2. Now print, save, check and activate, do effect. Integer value is 1 2 3, numeric value is only 5. Now insert a line, just activate our code. Integer value is 1 2 3, numeric value is 5. Now specify the length of a numeric data type. Here I am given 7. Just save, activate, do effect. See, 0 0 0 3 4 5 integer value and numeric value is 1 2 3. Why? Numeric data type will contain only a single character from the right side, same like as character. But if we specify the length of a numeric data type, then it complete all the characters. Suppose if we are initialize our numeric type of variable only a 3-digit integer value, but specify the length as 7, whatever we have done here, then it complete all the length by adding some leading 0. So this is the difference between integer and numeric. Integer contain all the, it display all the integer value whatever we have declared, but numeric type of data will contain only the single character value from right hand side. So we must need to specify the length of a numeric data type, same like as character, whatever we have learned in previous class about the character and string. This is the difference between integer and numeric. Here we are doing declaration of a variable, here we are initialization of a variable, and here we are printing of a variable. Now that's all about today. We will discuss some more things in previous class. Suppose we are trying to use a decimal type value, it throwing error, this is displaying in a red. So integer data type will contain only the integer value, numeric data type will contain only the integer value, but if we don't specify the length, it contain only a one character. But if we specify the length, then it contain only the whatever the length we have specified, according to that it complete. Suppose if we declare a 3-digit integer value in numeric data type and we also specify the length of 3 digits. See, I am doing practical, you can see the output also 3 4 5. So it depends upon the length, whatever the length we have declared. We declare the more length according to the initialization, then it complete by adding some leading zeros. That's all about today. We will discuss some more in further class. Thank you.